A Denver mom fought her insurance company over her son's emergency surgery for 14 months, and what she learned could save you thousands. I'm Steve, I'm a consumer reporter in Denver. Back in March of last year, a teenager named Zion was skateboarding and he fell and broke his wrist. It was a compound fracture, the bones sticking out. I'll spare you the photos of it. An ambulance took Zion to Lutheran Hospital, but the doctors there were nervous because these injuries were close to the growth plate, so they suggested he be transferred to Children's Hospital. He was transferred there, surgeons did the surgery, and he started healing.
I didn't even think about it. My son has a bone sticking out of his arm. The ambulance is going to take him to the ER. I pay for health insurance. I just assume I'm covered.
Turns out she wasn't. Zion's mom, Sarah, got an explanation of benefits from her insurance company saying that the hospital, Children's Hospital, was billing them $67,000 for that surgery and that Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield was going to pay none of it. It's because Children's Hospital wasn't included in network in her plan. Federal and state law, called the No Surprises Act, means this isn't supposed to happen to you in an emergency situation. You're not supposed to get a surprise medical bill for coverage that's not included in your network because it's an emergency. You don't really have much of a choice. But here was the catch, that transfer. Since Zion was going from facility to facility, his transfer to Children's was considered non-emergent, hence the bill. It took Sarah months of failed appeals and frustrating phone calls and help from the Colorado Consumer Health Initiative to try to get this all sorted out with Anthem. CCHI tells us they've actually handled more than a dozen cases like this in the last few years, a facility-to-facility transfer that ends up not being covered. In a statement to us, Anthem says that's exactly what happened in this case, that because Zion was taken to Children's Hospital separately, that it was documented as a non-emergent transfer. Once they got the right documentation, they sorted the whole bill out. If you're facing a big bill like this, CCHI says never pay it right away. Wait for your explanation of benefits to come. If you're trying to fight something, document everything. Every phone call you make, every message you send to the insurance company's portal. And if you need help, ask for it. Follow me for more consumer stories just like this. And if you have a consumer problem, send me a message and we'll try to look into it.